Butterflies.
And butterflies.
And
And hearts.
Your suitcase. It's
Oh,
beautiful.
look, Harper.
Ooh. Now the butterfly hanging on it.
Wow.
Mhm.
It's flying.
Is that really cute?
It's beautiful, Harper.
Is that better than a Hello Kitty suitcase?
Yeah. Oh, I got another one. Look. Well, this is a heavy one too.
It says to Harper from Santa.
Or just tear it open like this.
There you go.
I got what is this Hello Kitty thing going to be? Oh, my hands on this.
What is it?
I don't know. It's open this.
What does it say on it, Daddy? What is it?
It looks like it's a Hello Kitty vacuum cleaner.
Wow.
Wow.
Now I can help you clean.
Thank you,
Yeah.
Harper.
You
Wow.
opened my vacuum here.
You want to see it?
Yes. I
You
want
want to
to
open it? You want to open it later? Let's open your baby.